We're recording. Now I gotta turn this on. Watch the camera move.
What?
Oh, gotta turn this on. So it came up. I can tilt it up.
Look at my boots.
It's still recording?
Yeah.
Man, the wind is like...
Hi!
Let's go down the road here.
Yeah,
Good? How's it all?
These aren't supposed to get wet.
That's why. Now I buried it. Oh, the camera's still working. Hey, man, I got you. It's running. Should have done this from the beginning. Got this damn thing. We could have saved ourselves a half hour. Idiot.
Okay.
Thank you, man. I owe you.
There you go.
Yes, I do. Look at all the scratches on it.
We're working.
Talk to the camera. Thank you, Tim.
See you on YouTube.